digital world.
Hello, digital world.
Hello, digital world.
Hello, fellow homebound humans.
For more than 75 years, the Museum of Science and History has strived to inspire the joy of lifelong learning in the sciences and regional history.
And we've done so by having you come to us.
Jacksonville and our region as a whole has supported MOSH through it all, and we can't thank you enough.
Now it's our turn to support you.
It's our turn to bring the educational fun to you.
At your home, on demand, through MOSH Connect.
So, what is MOSH Connect?
It's our new way of connecting.
See what we did there?
With our community.
MOSH Connect brings virtual lessons, exciting video content, and engaging activities to our Jacksonville region families, teachers, and students.
The best part? All of our MOSH Connect content,
Videos,
live streams,
live chat with our educators,
downloadable lessons, and more
will be available to you for free.
Wait, what? For free?
That's right, for free.
So what are you waiting for? Check us out.
Come visit us at www.themosh.org to see everything that we have to offer.
And give us a like and a follow on social media at MoshJax to stay connected.
We want to make sure that curiosity is always welcome, even in times of crisis.
We're ready to inspire joy. All that we're missing is you.
Welcome
to
to MOSH Connect.